I'm going to give you guys two examples. I'm going to use Poland. There's two other examples on, I have like written out two other examples on the project description. Those are based on Latvia. So I just thought I'd give you a different example. So, okay, we're going to convert the area of Poland, which is 312,696 kilometers squared. We need to convert this to miles squared. Square miles. So the conversion factor we're going to use is the one that I've given you guys before, which is that, maybe I haven't given you this one specifically, but shoot, that's not it. It's 1.609 kilometers is equal to 1 mile. I've probably given you guys 1,609 meters equals 1 mile, but this is the same. So we're going to use just that. And here's the deal, right? So I'm going to start off with my 312,696 kilometers squared. And this first step you guys should be fine with. You're like, yeah, all right, cool. Let's put the kilometers on the bottom and the miles on the top. So 1.609 kilometers and 1 mile. And usually what we do here is we cancel out the units that cancel. But kilometers squared is the same thing as kilometers times kilometers. So when I cancel out kilometers, I'm only canceling out one of those. I'm leaving the other one. So I've got to do it again. So I'm going to do 1.609 kilometers on the bottom again, 1 mile on the top, which is great because now I have miles times miles, which gives me miles squared, which is the unit I wanted. So kilometers crosses out, right? So we've got miles times miles, which equals miles squared. All right, and now let's do the math. So I've got this 312,696 times 1 times 1. So we'll keep that there, 312,696. And then on the bottom, I'm going to do 1.609 times 1.609. And it gives me that, 2.588881, which I'm just going to keep the whole thing, 2.588881. So I'm here because of this. So the last thing I'm going to do is just divide these two numbers to get my final answer. 312,696 divided by 2.588881. Yeah. So I'm going to get 127.8307 miles squared. But I'm not going to use that whole number. That's a lot. Yes, I'm loving that. So we're going to go back to our original thing here. We've got 312,696. How many sig figs in that? Yep. So we'll have 6 sig figs in our answer. So we're going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're rounding to the 1 spot. And if we look here, it's 0.2. So that should round. Do we keep the 4 or round up to 5? Yeah. So that's 120,784 miles squared. And that's with 6 sig figs as well. Okay, so that's our final answer there.